In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the nearest Bank of America ATM using the website or the mobile app. We'll start by getting you to the right place. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone, or launch the Bank of America mobile banking app if you have it installed. Using either option works well, so choose what's most convenient. A quick tip before you begin: make sure you have a stable internet connection and update the app if you haven't in a while so everything loads smoothly. Next, look for the ATM or branch locator tool. On the website, you'll typically find a locations link near the top of the page or in the main menu. In the mobile app, the locator icon is usually on the home screen or easily accessible from the menu. You don't need to sign in just to find an ATM, which makes this quick even if you're on the go. Now tell the locator where you are. You can type in your current city, zip code, or a specific address. If you prefer a faster route, allow GPS or location access when prompted. On your phone, make sure location services are turned on. In a web browser, you might see a small pop-up asking to use your location. Choose Allow. This helps the tool pinpoint your position and return the most accurate results. Once your location is set, the map will display the nearest ATMs. You'll see pins on the map and often a list view with distances. Zoom in to explore your area or switch between map and list if that helps you compare options. Tap or click a location to open its details. If you're traveling, you can drag the map to another area and refresh to find ATMs along your route. Before you head out, check the ATM's features to make sure it fits your needs. Each location's detail page highlights key information such as whether it offers drive-up access, typical access hours, and other available services listed there. This is especially helpful if you want a quick drive-up stop or prefer an ATM that's inside a secure lobby. Look over the details so you're not surprised when you arrive. That's all there is to it. Open the website or app, use the locator, enter your location, or allow GPS, view the nearby ATMs on the map, and review the features to pick the best match. Save your preferred locations for next time, and refresh your location if you're on the move so results stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.